Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you having a Volkswagen Tiguan for generation here. If you need to find where fuses relays for the transmission shifter are located, if your transmission shifter doesn't work, guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be, by the way, quite easy fix. We'll talk about that, and after that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So if you need to find fuses, relays for the transmission shifter, guys, we'll need to check three main fuses, but there will be some secondary fuses that we need to talk about that as well. The fuse box that most people know about is the one under the hood, right here. However, guys, okay, this is not the one that we need today. We need to actually come inside the vehicle. And when we come inside the vehicle, okay, right here on the driver's side, guys, you see right here on the left side of it, we have a fuse box here. If you don't know how to get to these hidden fuse boxes, we have a video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Check it out. Now, here we need to check some fuses. Before we continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, okay, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, okay, they look at that fuse, okay, and they assume, okay, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple, and often, okay, you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, okay, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out, okay, if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. So the main fuses now for the transmission, guys, that we will need to check, okay. First, we will be talking, guys, okay, about fuse number 13. So right here, this is fuse number 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This fuse right here, we need to check. This is one of them. Then we need to check fuse number 20, so that's 17, 18, 19, 20, okay. You see this fuse right here? That's the one that we need to check, okay, these two fuses so far. And we have one more, which is known as fuse number 25, that 20M fuse here. Now, if you still have problems with the transmission, guys, transmission control module, shifter, anything like that, what we will recommend, you need to check fuses for the engine computer and ABS and traction control module. Also, test your big fuses right here, known as mega fuses too, guys. But the transmission, engine computer, and ABS traction control module, all these functions work together. So if you have a bad ABS traction control module, it can cause problems with the transmission as well, and the engine computer too. So if you don't know where they're located, we have a video on the channel that will teach you all about that as well. As you saw guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.